This is a school reopening video for Carbon School District. This video is about cleaning and hygiene. The janitorial staff are going to be working very hard in our schools. They're going to be sanitizing high-touch areas at least once a day. We're talking about all the doorknobs, the handrails, the desks, the chairs, the light switches, keyboards, faucet handles. There's a lot of high-touch areas in the schools. In the restrooms, they are going to be even more active. They're going to be doing that before school, mid-morning, midday, mid-afternoon, and after school. We're going to make sure hand sanitizer is available throughout the school as well. Teachers, we're being asked to have teachers sanitize learning areas regularly throughout the day. We also need teachers to encourage the students to wash hands regularly, set up the time and the breaks necessary to help them to stay clean with their hands and their sanitation. We need to strive to maintain as much distance between students as possible. We're not being required to maintain 6 feet of separation for everybody, but we do see the benefit in doing the best that we can there with distance, depending on the area that the students are in. Students, we need students to wash their hands regularly. Use hand sanitizer when it's available. Get used to when you're passing by hand sanitizer, or when you have an opportunity to wash your hands, that you do so, and never ever share water bottles with others. We encourage you to have a water bottle. We think that's a great way to stay hydrated, but never share it with another person. For water fountains, most of our fountains can be run by using a hip or a knee or something like that, but we are going to place hand sanitizer near every water fountain, so after each use of the water fountain we need everyone to use the hand sanitizer that's nearby. We need to make sure we keep the face and the mouth away from any part of the fountain. The only thing that lips or face should touch is the water, definitely not the spout or any part of the water fountain. If possible, as mentioned earlier, just avoid using the hands to press the bar if you can, but again, hand sanitizer will be there and available. For recess and PE, we need everyone to use hand sanitizer or wash hands immediately at the conclusion of that recess or PE class. We also need to strive to limit the number of students in any particular area of the playground. According to the governor's phased document, the colored document, we are in yellow, and we are not to exceed 100 students per area. We think we can do better than that, so we're asking to minimize the number of students in any particular area the best that we can, but certainly not to exceed 100.